5 men marched into the country, blade in hand for all to see. Each will get what he has came for. No man will fall, they all agree. At sundown they hit the jailhouse, each death concealed 33. I will not wait, announced Mackenzie. Screwy handed out the key. With skin and bone, with hands of stone, no man did flinch, but held his own. With Gibson free, they did believe the cloudless skies they could retrieve, or so they thought. Night, and each man would reap the profit for his pride. But why should he give to them Gibsons? True colors begin to show. Twisted plots within a bitter mind, and each one of the heroes took a mortal blow. None of the men that lay there then could hear from sea his treachery, fight for his souls, each broken bold. At Gibson's hands the blood runs cold. Gibson, and I hate what I have done. But greed embitters even sturdiest of men. At cost 1 bar of gold, 5 heroes saved my life. And to these men I have repaid them with my knife. My name is Gibson, and I hate what I have done. But greed embitters even sturdiest of men. I could not share